Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with PetrolBox, let me show it to you right here. It's petrol is in like gasoline. They reached out to me and were kind enough to send me a box for me to review, do an unboxing. Since I get a lot, I've done a lot of different, if you check out my past videos, I've done a lot of different monthly subscriptions. And I've been curious to know about this one for a while now, but never really, I don't know. I've just been kind of leery of monthly subscriptions, certain ones. Wow, they really got that sealed in there. So I've been kind of leery, you know. So this starts at $39.95 a month if you do monthly. And then it progressively gets cheaper. If you do a full 1 year, it ends up being like $34 and some cents a month, but you pay for the full year up front, or 6 months up front, or 3 months, or just monthly. So I've considered doing this for 1 year. We'll see, maybe I'll actually pay and do a subscription. I'm not getting paid to do this. I just received this for free. It actually has a bunch of different stuff in the inside of it that tells you what it comes with. I'll hopefully remember to show that to you at the end. Like a little kid in a candy store. If you're a car enthusiast or have like a loved one that is a car enthusiast like I am, stuff like these are like the perfect gift. Monthly subscriptions, you can just buy it up front. Their birthday or Christmas or whatever for the whole year, and then every month they just get these surprises and they think of you. It's a perfect thing for a loved one. So I don't know where to start. This thing is full of different stuff. I actually have Adam's tire and rubber cleaner already in my garage. As you know, I have tons and tons of cleaning supplies from all the different companies. I need to eventually do a review on it. It's hard because my car's ceramic coated. Maybe I'll do it on my Jeep or my wife's Mercedes-Benz. But you can never have too many cleaning supplies. It's not like they go bad, at least not that I know of. Chemicals don't really go bad like that. So the next thing is, that's pretty funny, a Twizzlers. Sorry if you can't see that, but for that snack. Then you've got a tire brush. So if you want to clean your tires, I would use this on my Jeep or on my wife's car. I don't use stuff like this on, even though it's tires. I just use my hands and cleaning supplies and stuff like that to like clean. Especially I don't want a chance damaging my rims or anything like that. I know that's good on tires, but I just don't take chances. So if you check that out, heat resistant, anti-static, ultra smooth, light and strong. It is a Chicago comb, professional grade carbon fiber comb. Let's check this out if I can open it up. Oh wow, that is light. So fix my hair here. That's awesome. I've needed a new comb, and that's like compact too, so man, just think of everything in these things. It's just amazing. The next thing is, of course, everyone that knows my channel knows that I absolutely love stickers. So you got a lovely sticker here. Then you've got a Drive More, Work Less keychain. I have so many keychains. I don't know what to do with them. Eventually I'll do another giveaway. Then you've got a PetrolBox subscribe rides of the month. Ooh, subscribers rides of the month. So I should submit my car to them because that's pretty sweet. Then the final thing is Drive More, Work Less. I wish that was the case. I wish I could do that. But look at this shirt. Drive More, Work Less. And then it's definitely, so it's got no tags, it's the tagless, good material. That's everything this month came with. Thank you for watching. So like I said, this is all the stuff that it actually comes with, if you're able to read that. And it tells you each thing about it. Scotch and iron drive, more work, less t-shirt. one of our favorite brands in PetrolBox, small company located in Florida and has been around since 2012. This t-shirt is exclusive to PetrolBox and won't be available on their website, but check out some of their great shirts and hats. Scotch and iron keychain, only available through this. So that's the one thing that's cool too, is you're not going to be able to find these anywhere else except through this monthly subscription. So you're going to have a unique shirt that no one else is going to have. Adams Polish Rubber and Tire Cleaner. Obviously you can get that all over the place. I love Adams. I also love McGuire's. Those are two of my favorite. And obviously ceramic coating and stuff like that. But the next thing is the tire brush. Densely packed white nylon staple set into a foam block. Bristles are crimped for added strength. Great for cleaning white sidewall tires, which I don't have. Then Chicago Comb Company carbon fiber comb is... We love carbon fiber all of the things. Yes, carbon fiber everything. Carbon fiber my entire car. I don't know about everything, but basically it's ultralight traditional plastic combs, which can give you unpleasant static shock, and this is not. Doesn't give you that static shock, which is great. And then an M1 sticker. So that is everything. I definitely am considering, now that I've done this unboxing, I might actually spend the money coming up and do this for a year. I had issues with Tuner Crate. If you can check out all my other videos, they started off amazingly and then they just went to crap over the course of like a year and a half or something like that. So this is definitely worth your money. I think this is worth $40. But the thing is you can get the lower. They have different levels. I guess they have a small, and then they have this is the regular box. So if you only want to get like small item or the bigger, you can kind of budget based on what you can afford. So that's the other thing. But thank you for watching. Tell me what you think. Do you like any of the items in here? Maybe I'll send it to you. I don't know. Message me, comment below, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye. Check out my other videos. Seriously, hit that subscribe button so I get more stuff to be able to unbox and do reviews for you guys. And bye.